Most repair shops lose revenue in the gap between estimate and approval. When a customer gets an estimate but does not approve the work right away, AI can automatically follow up through text and email. Set up sequences that remind them about the estimate, explain the urgency of the repair in simple language, and offer an easy scheduling link. For auto repair shops, this works especially well for larger jobs such as suspension work, engine diagnostics, tires, timing belts, and recommended maintenance packages. AI can personalize messages based on vehicle type, service history, or the original estimate. It can also segment leads by urgency and identify who is most likely to convert. Instead of relying on your team to remember every follow-up, the system keeps those opportunities moving. Recovering just a small percentage of unapproved estimates can create a major revenue bump. These are warm leads who already visited your shop, so the conversion cost is low. Build one automated follow-up campaign for unapproved estimates and track how many jobs it recovers over 30 days.